Dino Dash car wash, and we are going to see how well it does. So I'm going to pause until we're ready to go in. See you guys in a second. Alright, so I am not sitting in the front seat because a cooler is taking up the front seat. Because, like I said in my previous video, we are going to Vegas for the car wash show. So I'm going to pause until we are heading into the tunnel. We're near the entrance right now. You can see the entrance is right there, but they got like a dinosaur robot right there. Yeah. That's so cool. Once we go around, I'll show the head. Maybe that'll be easier to see, but for now, we wait. Here's a better shot. See him moving his arms and his head. He's even got some servos in his chest right there to make him look like it's breathing. See that?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
If a real dinosaur were standing that close to a car wash, it would not make me want to go in a car wash.
But let's see if the car wash is as cool as that dinosaur.
It's a freaking cool dinosaur, that's for sure.
I guess we're about to find out. Alright, here we go in. Looks like Coleman equipment. Giving us a little hose off.
Sorry.
There's a dinosaur skeleton in there. That's pretty cool. Got some drips.
The fire looks like lava.
Yeah. Oh, there's a projector right there.
Oh, nice.
Got some entrance-facing wraps. This is my dad.
Hey.
Top brush. Rockers. Got a high pressure arch and a emitter with some tri-foam. Oh, did they stop the wash?
They did.
Wow.
Over here it says Triassic triple foam.
That's nice. Got a wheel brush down there, looks like. There's a look at the emitter. Let's see, it says Volcano Shine.
Smells good.
Ooh, yeah, it smells like melon. Got some fan brushes right here. Rinse.
Seems look at the dinosaur.
Is there?
Right here.
Oh my gosh, there is. It's that one from the Jurassic Park movie that spat on the guy.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can.
Hard to see.
Cosmic clear coat. That's awesome. Stegosaurus spot free. T-Rex tire shine. A telltale sign of an Automate distributor project is that it's a Coleman Hanna system, with Motor City dryers. They always do that. At least to every one I've been to. No, just leave it alone. They've got some Sunny's mammoth dryers at the exit. There's the car wash. So, what did you think?
I thought it was definitely 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
the entertainment
seriously.
factor for sure was there.
Plenty of rinsing. Our car is bone dry after coming out of those dryers.
Seriously, it's awesome.
Yeah. I would say 100% 10 out of 10.
There's plenty of space, and I like how the place is covered.
Yeah, I love the canopy.
The sun is really intense in St. George, so that's really great.
They even have a little mat cleaner and a vending machine.
Nice.
So yeah, that is the Dino Dash Car Wash. 100% recommend coming here if you're in the area.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.